Nice job over in Ainsdale this morning, fitting a Starlink onto a little cabin office. This customer previously had a copper line. He was at the end of it and was only getting speeds of between 2 and 10 meg per second. We've showed up, put some wood fixings straight away through. Little 3-foot mast. Absolute clear line of sight. Wired up under the eaves, down and through. Starlink's just sitting in there. Customer's now receiving speeds of over 250 megs per second and is over the moon. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.